In this video, I'll talk about how you can make money through the Temu affiliate program. So head over to Google and search for Temu affiliate and make sure you sign up for the affiliate program. Once you've signed up, you'll get these codes right here, and these are your affiliate code. So if you copy this code and you press copy link, we don't want to copy the whole text, just copy link and we'll get this code. Whenever we send this to someone and they sign up and order something, we're going to get a commission as well as a download reward. So that is how you can make money with Temu. And it's really easy, guys. You can also head in here, and this is if you invite affiliate people. So if you invite someone and they also an affiliate, so if they have over 1,000 followers in social media, you can earn up to 35 euros, which is about 40 USD. So that is basically how this works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.